Market down 5%. Phone showing red. Here are few things to do to get your audit. What just happened? February to April 2026. Rupee at 95 rupees low. Market lost 3 lakh crores. Iran war. Oil shock. 3 months of sustained pressure. Now it's May. The panic is quite up. And this right now is the best time to look your finance. Not during the storm, which result in Nifty and Sensex correction. Triggered by Iran, oil spike, FII is selling, mid cap and small cap hit harder than the large cap. Why it hits you? As humans, we emotionally respond to red portfolio as panic or danger, which means an impulse decision to stop SIP, which locks in lower NAV as loss misrecoveries entirely. How to respond? Do check emergency fund, keep SIP running, consider lump sum if surplus. Do not stop the SIP, wait for the bottom. No one catches the bottom. After it, I ran my own post crisis audit step by step how you can check your also. Step 1, emergency fund. Open your saving account. What is the number? Calculate your monthly non-negotiable. 6 months. Is your account at or above that? If yes, your foundation held. If no, rebuild this before anything else. In this crisis quarter, my fund took almost 10,000 hit in March when fuel cost spiked. I rebuilt it over in April. SIP Step 2, SIP continuity. Pull your SIP transaction history. Did it run every month? February, March, April? If it ran, congratulations. You did the hardest thing in investing. If you paused it, calculate what it cost. We paused month missing by unit at lower NAV. The 5% April correction means units were 5% cheaper. Step 3, XIRR review. Check your current portfolio value versus amount invested. What is your XIRR? If positive, even 6 to 7% during a crash quarter, your system is working. Don't compare to peak NAV. Compare to saving account at 3.5%. 3 months of crisis is noise. 18 years of compounding is signal. Step 4, expense audit. The Iran war oil shock added 8 to 12% household cost over Q1 2026. Review your last 3 months across 5 categories: housing, food, transport, family, dysentery. Which category absorbed unaccepted cost? That's where your buffer rule need adjusting, not your SIP amount. Recovery is not the opposite of a crisis. Recovery is what you build inside the crisis, so that when the noise quiets, you have something to return. Most people wait crisis to end before the audit. The one who audit during the crisis comes out structurally different, not just financially, but in how they think about money for rest of their lives. Drop in comment. SIP continuity ran all 3 months, paused once, or paused all three. No judgment. Data help everyone. Subscribe DareMinds, number by number, decision by decision, every week. Not savvy advice, personal journey only. Disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered financial advisor. This is my personal financial journey. Please consult a qualified professional before investing. Thank you. See you in the next video.